What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another Mod Watches video, and today we have another very beautiful Seiko mod to show you. This is available on the website. The link to this will be in the description below. We call this the Ocean Blue Seiko mod, and it comes on a Datejust format. Of course, it's not a Datejust mod because it does not have a date complication window at the 3 o'clock position. So we've gone for a bit of a different design with this one. You can see it has a really nice, beautiful blue sun ray effect on the dial, so it really gives it that nice pop, especially when you put it under the sun. I've just tried to find a bit of a shade here, because under the sun it just dazzles, and you can't really see anything in the camera. That's how nice this Seiko mod is. It just absolutely shines and dazzles. So you can see really nice setup here, and that ocean blue effect, you can really see that as the sun kind of reflects on to the dial here. Absolutely gorgeous. So we've got the Arabic numerals on this one. They are 3D printed onto the dial, so they do stick out a little bit, which is really nice. So it's not just on the dial, it's like an actual element on the dial which has a 3D effect to it. We also have the Mercedes hands on this particular mod as well, so you can see the Mercedes hands on the hour marker, or the hour hand, sorry. With this one, the customer decided to go with a fluted bezel, which we've done. We've also done a Jubilee bracelet on this one as well, and of course the thing that's powering it all is the Seiko NH35, which you can see on the back in all its glory, working to keep the time ticking. So this one's going out straight to a customer, and we thought before we send it off we shall show it on our YouTube channel, just for those who are interested, and especially for those who like the Arabic, Seiko mods. We've got a lot of people who really like the Arabic dials. This is no exception. As you can see, it's absolutely beautiful, and yeah, you can see a lot more information about this on the listing on the link in the description below. So 30 meters water resistance on this one. It's a 40mm face, so very nice wearability, very good durability as well. It comes with 904L stainless steel on the face and also on all the metal elements. So you can see the bracelet, the Jubilee bracelet, is 904L stainless steel, so is the clasp, so is the housing and the mechanism and everything else as well. If you don't like it in the silver or the blue, we can also do this in a variety of different colours. Just get in touch with us on the WhatsApp line below, and we will be more than happy to help you out. There's a lot that we can do, and there's not a lot that we can't do. So it's best to just give us a chat, just chat to us on WhatsApp, give us some idea of what you're looking for, and we'll be more than happy to tell you what we can and can't do. We ship worldwide, we ship everywhere in the world, except for a few countries. So yeah, you can let us know if you have any questions. Link to the WhatsApp line will be in the description below. So yeah, not much else to say on this mod. It's just a very nice clean mod. We'll pop this back on here again, and yeah, just a very sleek design. Just thought we'd show you, and if you do like this mod, let us know in the comment section below, and let us know what you want to see next on the channel, what you want to see next on the store. Remember guys, you can go on to modwatches.co.uk and you can see all the different mods that we offer. Some of the mods we offer and we've not put them on the website yet, so again, always best to get in touch with us on the WhatsApp line if you're looking for something specific, or if you want to build something completely brand new. We'll be more than happy to help you out with that. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.